All right, today, my friends, is a good day. As you know, I got a Delonghi coffee maker in New York, but we came up here to my cottage in Canada and we slightly became addicted to this thing, and just drip coffee hasn't been as good. And someone just dropped this off for us from Delonghi, Canada. I'm gonna set it up. I'm excited to switch up our coffee game up here and actually just have one here for my parents all the time, for my sister, for everyone. So I'm gonna take this thing, the Specialista, and we're gonna get it set up upstairs. I'm gonna show you how I make my morning brew. Let's go. First things first, unbox this and set it up really quick, and then get our brew on. All right, yes. Now, very key to find a good spot to have your home barista station. This sits a little tall, so it's tough to fit under overhead countertops, but there's always a good place, and this is very well designed and kind of a statement piece for your interior. So I like to have it out of the kitchen and kind of create its own atmosphere. So we're gonna put it here. We got some music beside it. Maybe we can even, you know, let's jazz it up a little. So kind of looks like you got something going on. All right, so making a latte. I like to use a nut milk latte, almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, coconut milk, whatever it is, or you can use obviously your milks, but need a couple things for this machine. One, the wand. Two, it comes with two different choices, one for a double and one for a single. Bit of a double guy this morning, need that extra kick for my day. So I'm gonna take this, put it right in the wand, easy like that. I just put some beans in here, fill it up to the top. We kind of ran out, so I'm running a little low. And then what you're gonna wanna do, and this takes a second based on all machines, but you have your grind setting for fine, and for the espressos, just under 2 seems to be fine on this machine for the coarseness. And then this is how much grind is gonna come into your wand. So just past stage 2, almost in stage 3, seems to be what worked on our last machine, and I'm hoping it works well on this machine, but we're gonna find out. So here's what you do. Fill up this water reservoir. Make sure it's got enough in there. So turn on your machine. If you're doing a single, make sure this 2X is off. I'm doing a double today, so you're gonna press this. You'll see the light come on for 2X. That's for the double shot. Now, this is where this machine is made incredibly simple. You put the wand in, it just starts grinding right away. So you gotta be ready. Put it in, pull it to close. Wait till it's done. And then this is the tamp. So most tamps you see at the barista shop, they put the little metal weight thing in, push it down. Delonghi's made it really easy. You just pull this back, push it right past the pressure, and let it go back. And that's the smart tamping system they've invented. It works really well. It comes out, you get a nice little tamp there with a little dusting on top, and it's just below the rim. There's a nice little line you can see, tough to see on here, but then you take that out from there, bring it over to the espresso station. I'm gonna do into a latte, but you could also just do a nice espresso. These Delonghi cups are amazing, double blown glass, they don't get hot. I ordered these in advance just because I feel like I got the whole program going, you know? So if you have the espresso, you can use this little shelf, get the height going, or you could fill 2 up, which is also really cool. But I'm gonna make a latte today, so I don't need the shelf. I'm gonna put this under, and this is just how easy it is. You just press OK. And the big tip right here is that the coarseness and the grind, you wanna get into this optimal zone. So we're gonna press this and see how close we get. So close to the optimal zone, but still, that's gonna be a great, great coffee, but we gotta work on these adjustments a little, maybe a little more fine. Get a little more water through there. That looks amazing. You have a beautiful crema in there, right on top. Looks incredible. So now we are going to do the milk. So I've already filled up my little icy Delonghi milk pitcher, and we're gonna put it into this, which is the steamer. So you have your foam and you have your flat. I like to start off on foam, get it just kind of bubbling a bit, move it up to flat. So you just turn it on right here. The trick is to let the wand just sit above the milk slightly as it goes, and then as you get down, you're gonna put it deeper and you're gonna keep feeling on the back until it gets just basically so hot you can't touch it. So. That little roll right over there is really important because that's how you know it's all moving around inside the jug and getting warm. Now what's cool is Delonghi's somehow invented a way that this milk doesn't really get stuck on the wand. Most people have to clean it off right away when it's hot, but they've done a really good job, and you can just wipe this away really easily. And it's good practice just to blow the milk out of the end of here, just with a quick little steam right at the end. That's all you need. So then you're gonna take your milk, try and get most of the bubbles out inside before you pour it. Just a little swirl. This is where the magic happens. And that, my friends, is a perfect. Whoa. I got morning shakes before my coffee, so let me do that again since it's now on the floor. And that, my friends, is your perfect morning nut milk latte. Amazing. But you gotta make sure this machine's clean. So this is a really handy thing to have. It's for clearing out the ground coffee afterwards. So you're gonna take the wand out. As you can see, there's coffee left in it. I'm gonna turn it over, give it a couple bangs. That's cleaned out, but there's still some coffee grind left in it. So this is a really cool feature about the machine. You can press this button and it just puts hot water out. So you can just do a quick rinse. And it's nice and clean. Grab your paper towel, wipe it out. Actually, I didn't tell you, but a good thing to do while you're doing that is to just put your coffee on here, because this pad is warm. So it'll keep your coffee warm while you're just finishing up your clean, in case you did this last, like me, because I get excited about the coffee. That's it. This can go back here, grab your coffee, and the day is yours. All right, so if you want to step your game up, this is a really nice way to do it. Makes it really simple to be a professional barista, and now that we're all staying home more, you don't want to go to your coffee shop as much. This is a great option. Not for everyone, for sure, but I didn't even think it was for me, and I'm obsessed with this thing. Again, really simple. The Delonghi Specialista. Do your thing. Check these out. Cheers.